Dupe sets. What's up, my divas? What's up, my dolls? What's up, my babies? It's your girl, Miss Diva QT Chanel, coming to you again with a hair review video. I know it's been a minute. I ain't posting in a while, but I'm back, and I want to come back with a review. You know, I wanted my first video in a few months to be a hair review. And this particular unit that I'm going to review is a synthetic wig. It's synthetic, and it does come from Amazon. So for the ones who have Amazon Prime, you can get your wig back within a couple days. I love Amazon Prime. A lot of my stuff come from Amazon. I should be a spokesperson for Amazon, because I spend a lot of money with them. I spend a lot of money. But yeah, so this particular unit, again, is a synthetic unit, and it is in the color, it's a burgundy color, and it's by the store. It's called AIDUSA store. So I will put all the description in the description bar, so you'll know where to go to, and I'll actually put the link as well. Right now, the unit is $17.97 with an extra 5% off. So you're going to get a nice, affordable, wig for less than $20. So this is, I'm just now unpacking this wig, so I want you all to see it, and I kind of, so y'all can get an idea of how it looks. And then I'll come back with it on. You know, I'll have to do my little magic to it, because y'all know most times with these synthetic wigs, you have to do some work to it. So let's get into this unit. First time coming out the pack. So as you see, it don't look, now the color is life. You feel me? The color is giving me life with no parole. It's a cute color, and it's kind of like, y'all know back in the days when we used to get that Dupe set, we get that roll and go, and we do that little wrap or whatever. This kind of gives me that type of feeling, as far as that Dupe type curl type of thing. But y'all know she got to comb these curls out. These tight curls like that, no, I don't think I'm gonna, she's gonna brush those curls out. But I'm gonna come back so y'all can see me do magic on this hair. So in the front of the wig, it does have two combs in the front. It has two combs in the front. Two combs in the front. It does have a strap in the back. It has a strap in the back. It doesn't have any combs in the back, but it has a strap to put around your head. That's for the little head people, but for the big head people, I probably won't need the strap because I got a big old head, but that's my business. So yeah, so this is the color. Again, it's in the color burgundy. So I'm gonna go ahead and install, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on my head, and I'm gonna come back to you so you can see what it do. But like I said, it's under $20. So let's make this thing work. Give me 1 second. Yes, come through, big hair, don't care. Let's get into this hair. Get into this hair, baby. This hair is giving me every bit of Dupe sets. Y'all remember back in the day when we used to get our hair rolled up? Baby, this giving me Dupe, baby. Dupe sets. Yeah. So this hair is very soft. It is big head friendly, because y'all already know my head is big. So I'm telling you, it's big head friendly. It fit perfectly on my head. It's also little head friendly because it does have a strap in the back to tighten up on the ones who have, little heads. So it's definitely that. Again, this hair is available in several different colors. Black, I know they have a black, they have a brown, mixed brown, and they have another type of curl pattern, but it's like a blue and black, a pink and black hair wigs, and purple and black, but it's not this curl pattern. It's more of a spiral type of pattern. But again, this unit was less than 20 bing bings. Less than 20 bucks.
Damn!
Less than 20 bucks. So I'm gonna tell y'all, this is not, don't be expecting this wig to last you a whole year. No ma'am, Pam. You ain't, when you find a less than $20 wig to last a whole year, please let me know, because I promise you I'm buying it. Please let your girl know, because she's buying it. Period. She's gonna.
Period! 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 Period!
Gonna buy it. So when you purchase a synthetic unit, it's based off your care. So depending on how you treat your hair, that's how long it's gonna last. With synthetic hair, it's, to be honest with you, probably 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a month, depending on how you treat it. Maybe a month. But like I said, you just have to take care of the unit. So far I like it. I think I'm gonna trim the front some a little bit in the front of my head. I think I'm gonna trim it some, but yeah, I think you can do several different styles. If you want to do a side, put it to the side, you can do it to the side. You can brush it however you want to, but this is how I like it. So you also can probably put like a band on it, like something like this. You can put like a band like this on it, or something like this. Probably can tie it. Let's see if it's gonna work for me. I don't know. Maybe something like, I don't know, y'all. Let's see. Y'all know, man. Maybe something like that and kind of like tie it. But I don't know if I want to do that or not. But I'm pretty sure you could put a band on it. Add your cute band to it, y'all. Add your cute little band to it. Hold on. That ain't it, baby. That ain't it. We're gonna make it do what it do. We just want to play with it, you know. This hair is very soft. I gotta give it that. It's very soft. It's soft. And it can be worked with. It's soft. So if you want like a side type of swoop type of thing going on, I won't do that, but I'm saying something. I mean, it's soft now. I can tell you that. If you want a side type of thing, you can go with the side. This is not what I would do to it, but I'm saying how I had the first time is how I would wear it, or with that. What's name? Side part. It's not a part. It's not. It doesn't have a part, y'all. It doesn't have a part. It does not have a part, but you can always, whatever side you want to swoop it over on, swoop it over there. Swoop it on that side, like I said, it is big, baby. It's big. So I'm just telling y'all now. Y'all have to play with it, but I'm saying it's affordable. You can do a lot with this. You can do a lot with it. Like I said, it's very soft. If you like your curls to be if y'all like y'all curls to be tight, keep it tight. Keep it tight, keep it right. But me, I would wear mine with a bang, and I'm going to actually cut. I'm gonna cut some. I'm gonna cut this front though. I'm gonna cut this front, but I'm gonna cut this front. Yes, honey. Yes, big hair. big hair don't care. Yes. So again, this is the Amazon unit. Again, like I said, it's under $20. They have all colors, matter of fact. So if you don't want burgundy, this is a burgundy. They have black. They have a mixed brown. And I think they have a pink. So, cute color for this season. Cute color for this season. So, I would suggest getting it. So again, y'all make sure y'all check it out. Go ahead and use that 5% discount. Probably be paying $16 probably for it instead of $16 or so for it. Yep. Y'all make sure y'all check out my website, infinitetrendzbtq.com. I do sell clothing, jewelry, got a lipstick line, lip gloss, lashes. I got the whole 9 yards. So make sure you support your girl. For the ones who haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have a lot of great things on this channel. I got a lot of reviews I want to do. I got a lot of wigs that I want to review. I know a lot of people want to see the wig on actual people and before they purchase it. So I mean, I'm like that myself. Sometimes I want to see it. So I will be bringing you all more review videos like these. Also, please feel free to comment and give me any, if you want to leave any feedback, anything you would like me to talk about, please do so. I want to hear from you all. Again, talk to y'all on the next round. Love y'all. Be safe. So yeah. So again, when if y'all decide to purchase the unit, I will put the link at the description, and when you purchase it, let me know what you think. I want to hear from you all. Did you all like the unit? Definitely let me know what you all think of it. Again, right now it's $17.97 and it has an extra 5% off. So that's about what, $16 or what. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Make sure, for the ones who haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Please do. I'm going to be having more videos, informative videos like this, reviews of hair. Because I know a lot of times when people purchase units and, wigs, they want to see real people try things on. Because a lot of times, a lot of these vendors and stores be having these fake pictures, and the hair don't be looking nothing like it. So I'm pretty sure people don't have money to be throwing away and wasted. So if they actually see the hair on someone else, they'll know whether to get it or not. So I mean, I've been gooped before plenty of times by looking at a picture like that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So when I see people reviews on hair, that makes me, that helps me out a lot. So I'm going to also, like I said, I'm going to come with more videos like that. Have several units that I will be reviewing soon. So be on the lookout for that. A few of the units that I will be reviewing will be human hair units. So again, look out for that. And again, y'all be safe. Oh yeah, make sure you all check out my website. I got so many nice things on my website. I sell clothes, jewelry, handbags. I have a cosmetic line where I sell lipsticks, lip gloss, eyelashes, the whole 9 yards. It's the One Diva Stop Shop. So make sure you all support me. Check out my page, share with your friends and family. It would be greatly appreciated. So until the next video, love you all. Be safe.